Hello, English learners, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fun challenge for you. I will show you 20 sentences. Each sentence has one common mistake. You'll have 5 seconds to find it. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Sentence number 1. She don't like coffee. Time's up. The correct sentence is, she doesn't like coffee. For he, she, it. Use doesn't, not don't. Sentence number 2, I have seen that movie yesterday. Time's up. The correct sentence is, I saw that movie yesterday. When you mention a specific time in the past, like yesterday, last week, use the past simple tense, not the present perfect. Sentence number 3, he gave me a good advice. Time's up. The correct sentence is, he gave me some good advice. Advice is an uncountable noun. We cannot use a or an with it. Use some advice or a piece of advice. Sentence number 4, this is more cheaper than the other one. Time's up. The correct sentence is, this is cheaper than the other one. For short adjectives, like cheap, big, hot, add er to compare. Do not use more and er together. Sentence number 5, I'm looking forward to meet you. Time's up. The correct sentence is, I'm looking forward to meeting you. After the phrase look forward to, always use a verb in the ing form, a gerund. Sentence number 6, she is married with a doctor. Time's up. The correct sentence is, she is married to a doctor. The verb married is followed by the preposition to, not with. Sentence number 7, I enjoy to watch movies. Time's up. The correct sentence is, I enjoy watching movies. After the verb enjoy, we always use the verb in its ing form, a gerund. Sentence number 8, why you are sad. Time's up. The correct sentence is, why are you sad? In questions with the verb to be, the verb comes before the subject. Why are you? Where is he? Sentence number 9, can you give me some informations? Time's up. The correct sentence is, can you give me some information? Information is an uncountable noun. It does not have a plural s form. Sentence number 10, he speaks English very good. Time's up. The correct sentence is, he speaks English very well. To describe a verb, how someone does something. Use an adverb, well. Not an adjective, good. Sentence number 11, my brother live in London. Time's up. The correct sentence is, my brother lives in London. For he, she, and it in the present simple. We must add an s to the verb. Sentence number 12, you're doing a great job. Time's up. The correct sentence is, you're doing a great job. Your is the short form of you are. Your is used to show possession, example your car, your job. Sentence number 13, I am good in playing tennis. Time's up. The correct sentence is, I am good at playing tennis. We always say good at something, not good in. Sentence number 14, there are many peoples at the party. Time's up. The correct sentence is, there are many people at the party. People is the plural form of person. Peoples is only used to talk about different ethnic groups or nations. Sentence number 15, it was a so beautiful day. Time's up. The correct sentence is, it was such a beautiful day. Use such a before an adjective plus a noun. Use so only before an adjective. Example, the day was so beautiful. Sentence number 16, this book is more better than the last one. Time's up. The correct sentence is, this book is better than the last one. Better is the comparative form of good. We do not need to use more. Sentence number 17, the meeting is in 3 p.m. Time's up. The correct sentence is, the meeting is at 3 p.m. Use at 4 specific times of the day. At 3 p.m., at noon, at midnight. Sentence number 18, I have already did my homework. Time's up. The correct sentence is, I have already done my homework. In the present perfect tense, have plus verb. We must use the past participle form of the verb, done. Not the past simple form, did. Sentence number 19, I don't have money enough. Time's up. The correct sentence is, I don't have enough money. The word enough comes before a noun. Enough money, enough time. Sentence number 20, he is taller than his brother. Time's up. The correct sentence is, he is taller than his brother. Use than when you are making a comparison. Use than when you are talking about time or sequence.
And that's the end of our challenge. How many mistakes did you find? Let me know your score out of 20 in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more simple and fun English lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.